Hi. It's been a while since this has been open, so
The store?
yeah, that's why I'm taking a picture. Oh, sorry. Don't worry, this isn't going on the YouTube.
I mean,
It's just for
sure
me.
you're allowed to open it whenever you want.
I know, I just don't want to do it 'cause you guys got your thing going on here. I don't want to be disturbing you. I want this civilian in here that you gotta keep an eye on. Well, thanks, man. Yeah? Alright. You missed my calling, huh? Oh, do you want me to close this? No, it's alright.